Dear student, so today we are going to discuss about double integration using trapezoidal rule and Simpson's rule. So how to solve this integration, double integration using trapezoidal rule and Simpson's rule. So very simple to solve this problem. So first of all we have to take both integral, the limits. What are the limits we are given for both? So we are given for both lower limit 0, upper limit 1. So let us take a is equal to 0, that is lower limit. B is equal to 1, that is upper limit for the first inner integral. For outer integral, C is equal to 0, D is equal to 1. So both integral, the lower limits are 0, the upper limits are 1. So we are given the function e power x plus y dx dy. So this is the function we are given. So here there is no information we are given. Whatever we are not given about k and h. So let us take k and h. So how to take k and h? So we are given 0 to 1. I am going to split the integral 0.25. Start from 0 plus 0.25 plus 0.25, that is 0.5. So 0.5 plus 0.25, 0.75. 0.75 plus 0.25, it will be 1. So I am going to divide the limits into 3 segments from 0 to 0.25, 0.25 to 0.5, 0.5 to 0.75, 0.75 to 1. So totally we are 4 segments. So 4 segments we are going to take. Okay, this is the first primary one. So we are given the limits from 0 to 1 for both integrals. I am going to select the segments from 0 to 1. So k and h both are equal, same value 0.25. So I am going to divide the limits from 0 to 1, 4 segments, 0 to 0.25, 0.25 to 0.5, 0.5 to 0.75, 0.75 to 1. So there are 4 segments. So let us start first one, trapezoidal rule. So here generally we are taking a to b, c to d, f of x comma y dx dy. So the function possesses 2 variables, both x and y. So that we have taken here f of x comma y. We don't take f of x or f of y. So we are going to take here f of x comma y. So using the formula h into k divided by 4 into sum of the corner values plus 2 into sum of the remaining values on the boundary plus 4 into sum of the values of the interior values. So this is the formula for trapezoidal rule. And one more formula we have, Simpson's rules. We are going to see later. So first we are going to do trapezoidal rule. So this is the formula. For this formula we are going to find sum of the corner values, sum of the remaining values on the boundary, sum of the values of the interior values. We are not given these values. So we are going to find these values. How to find? So using the table. So using the table, using the segments 0 and 0.25, 0.5, 0.75 and 1. So using these I am going to formulate a table. From the table you can get the values and then substitute. We can solve this problem using trapezoidal rule. So I am taking the table. So column wise x values, row wise y values. So 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75 and 1. Similarly row wise the same values, 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75 and 1. So using the function e power x plus y. So don't forget, so e power x plus y. So this is our function. So listen, so row wise and column wise, let us select 0 and 0. So for x I am going to take 0, for y I am going to take 0. So substitute here x plus y, 0 plus 0. So we have e power 0. E power 0 we have 1. So this is the answer. So first I am going to select the first row and all the columns. So keep the first row as it is and taking column wise all the columns. So I have finished the first one. Next I am going to take for x 0.25. For y keep 0 as it is. So 0 plus 0.25 e power 0.25. So the answer for e power 0.25 1.28. And go to the next one. Keep y 0 as it is and for x 0.5. So add these two values 0.5. So e power 0.5. So the answer is 1.64. The next value 0 plus 0.75. E power 0.75. The answer 2.11. And finally 0 plus 1. E power 1. E power 1 will be 2.71. And go to the second row 0.25. 0.25 and 0. So add these two values, we get e power 0.25. So the answer is 1.28. And next one 0.25 plus 0.25. So the answer is e power 0.5. Answer 1.64. And 0.25 0.5. So the answer e power 0.75. The answer is 2.11. And next one 0.25 plus 0.75. So e power 1. So e power 1, the answer is 2.71. And then 0.25 plus 1. So e power 1.25. So the answer is 3.49. So similarly 0.5 plus 0. So the answer is this. 0.5 plus 0.75. This is the answer. 0.5 0.5. So this is the answer 2.71. 0.5 0.75. So this is the answer. And 0.5 1. So here e power 1.5. So don't forget. So add these two values x and y. Add these two values. Put in the e power, the power of e. So next one, fourth row, fourth row 0.75 and then 0, 0.75, e power 0.75. This is the answer. And next one 0.75, 0.251. So e power 1. So this is the answer. So it's go up to here 5.75. Okay. The last row 1 plus 0. So the answer is 2.7. And then 1 plus 0.25, 1.25. So the answer is this. So see the values here. Diagonally all the values are equal. See the diagonals. Are you clear? See the diagonals, all the values are same. 3.49, 4.48, 5.5. This is the new value. Okay. So diagonally all the values are, this is 1, this is 7.38, this one is 2.71, here also 2.7, symmetric, like symmetric. Okay. So first of all we have to formulate a table and find all the values. Here the formula says sum of the corner values. So the pink colors are corner values, 1, 2.71, 7.38 and 2.7. There are 4 values only are called corner values. So take it. And the next one, remaining values on the boundaries. So which are the terms are boundaries? So here I am going to take these. So the first row, last column, the last row, again first column. So I repeat. So which are the values are in boundaries? So which one is boundary? So first row, these 5 values, and last column these values, and the last row these values, and the first column these values. So totally 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 values are boundary values. Are you clear? These 16 values are called boundary values. Among the 16, these 4 values 1, 2.71, 7.38, 2.71 are called corner values. Okay. And the next one 2 into sum of the remaining values on the boundaries. So except these 4 corner values, all the values are boundary values. And the next one 4 into sum of the values of the interior values. So except the corner and boundary values, all the 9 values are called the interior values. So I am going to split the 16 value, the values 3 types. 1, interior values. There are 9 values are interior values. That is 1. Second thing, boundary values. In boundary values, we are going to divide 2 things. One are corner values. Other things are boundary values except the corner values. Except the corner values. There are 3 things: corner values, and then except the corner values, which are in the boundaries, and then interior values. Are you clear? So one color, violet color, there are 4 values, and the next one orange, except the 4 values, and then pink colors, there are 9 values. So using these values, applying the formula, we will get the result. So this is the function we are given: 0 to 1 e power x plus y dx dy equal to hk by 4. This is the formula. So for h 0.25, for k this is the 0.25 by 4 into sum of the corner values. There are 4 values. Okay, I have taken these 4 values here, and then plus 2 into sum of the remaining values on the boundaries except corner. Okay ba? So these are the values except corner values. So all the values which are lie on the boundaries but not are the corner values. Okay, and next one, third thing, plus 4 into sum of the interior values. Okay, there are 9 values which are in interior places. Okay, and then simplify these 2 values. 0.25 into 0.25 divide by 4. So we have the answer 0.0156. And then sum of the 4 corner values, it will be 13.8. And then keep 2 as it is. So sum of the remaining values. So we have 37.5 plus 4 into sum of the interior values. We will have 25.45, and then keep the value as it is, 0.0156, and then 13.8 right as it is. So this 2 into 37.5, it will be 75. 4 into 25.45, it will be 101.8, and then add these 3 values. So we have 190.6, and finally multiply these 2 values. I get 2.9733. So double integral e power x plus y dx dy, which is equal to, using the trapezoidal rule, the result will be 2.9733.